What's good, Ecamm fam? Brandon Washington here, and I am super excited to be talking to you guys about my new show that I am doing in partnership with Ecamm entitled The Anatomy of a Live Stream. Over the last year and a half, I've been developing my live stream podcast show, and it has been probably one of the most fulfilling creative endeavors I've ever been on. The ability to connect with an audience on a weekly basis and be able to talk about the things that we are interested in and just sort of really connect with an audience in a way that I never could do by just posting videos has been so fulfilling. And so I'm really excited to actually be breaking down the wall and sort of teaching some of the processes that go into developing our show. Ecamm has given us some amazing tools when it comes to recording and actually live streaming the show itself, but there are other elements that go into developing a live stream show. So that way it doesn't matter if there's just 2 people watching or there are thousands of people watching, you have a show that is worth remarking about, which is ultimately what it means to be remarkable. So we're going to be breaking all this down and so much more, looking at the tech, looking at the structure, and looking at how I was able to take this show from something that was getting maybe 5 to 10 viewers at the beginning to something that has now been monetized. I'm now able to actually work with brands, and I'm able to do the thing I love on a weekly basis. So I'm super excited to be sharing all this with you guys and so much more. And this is going to be an amazing 8-week mini series entitled The Anatomy of a Live Stream.